You think you're using the tool, but the tool is measuring you, every glance, every micro-hesitation. Attention isn't just being held, it's being harvested. Your focus is the new oil, and the refinery is already online. What about your job? AI isn't coming for your tasks. It's coming for the value of your experience. It's a digital dividend for them. The developers have built a smart loop: stimulation, measurement, reinforcement. It's not a product, it's a cage. Can you feel it? Your attention span is collapsing under the weight of an algorithm that knows you better than you know yourself. Society isn't breaking, it's being recalculated. Truth is no longer the metric. Engagement is the only god that matters now. This is the algorithmic Mandela effect. They weaponize repetition until your own memory becomes a foreign territory. Your nervous system wasn't built for this. Non-stop activation, cortisol spikes, a biological mismatch designed for profit. There is a divide forming. Those who see the code and those who are consumed by it. Which side of the screen are you on? Mass distraction is the business model. While you scroll, they scale. While you watch, they win. It's that simple. This isn't sci-fi. This is the present. The extraction is happening right now, in the time it took you to watch this. The future isn't being predicted, it's being scripted, and your data is the ink. Hold on to your memory. It's all you have left. Subscribe if you're still unpredictable. In a world of algorithms, being a glitch is the only way to stay human.